Hi Head Start friends, I'm back. Last time I talked to you on video, we actually read a story about how to be a good friend and how to be safe, kind, and responsible. Well, today I'm going to do something a little different with you. We're going to use our 5 senses. I don't know if you remember them, but I'm going to go over them with you. With our eyes, we see. With our ears, we hear, or just like our rules say, we listen with our ears. Our hands, we use them to touch. Our noses, we use them to smell. And our mouths, we can use them to taste. Those are our 5 senses. Don't get those confused with our rules. Eyes watching, ears listening, voices quiet, and body calm. Those are the rules. These are your 5 senses, and we use them when we do science. At the end of our science experiment that I have for you today, we are going to think like scientists do. Remember when I said that we think about a question to come up with an answer? And when I think, I look like this. Sometimes a question requires more thinking than other questions. So this one I might stump you with. This is an activity that I think you could do at home. I wanted to pick one that you could do at home where you could find materials to do this with. So for my setup, I used plastic wrap or press and seal. Whatever you have will work. Let your grown-up rip you off a sheet. And then you need a container like this. I found a can. You can use a bowl. And then you're going to put the plastic wrap on top and pull it super tight. It has to be tight. That way it's like a drum. Super tight on top. And then I put some little pieces of rice on there because the question is, can you see sound? What sense do we use when we're listening to music or we're listening for sounds? We use our ears to listen or to hear, but I'm wondering if we can see it. I know we can't really taste sound. We might be able to feel it in our bodies. We can't smell sound, but I wonder, can we see sound? So I have my setup here. Remember, a container with plastic wrap and some pieces of rice. And I am going to make a humming sound next to my container, okay? And I want you to watch this rice on top. Ready? I'm gonna look a little silly, but here goes. Did you see the rice? The rice moved. Ready? So, can you see sound? Now, I wasn't putting my mouth on the can, and I wasn't blowing any air. I just put my mouth near the can so that it could pick up the sound. The sound creates something. I wonder if you can think of what that is. Now, while you're thinking of that, I also want to try something else. Because when I was playing around with this, I noticed. I'm going to put something a little heavier on there, a marble. And I'm going to try it again, see if I can make the marble move with sound. First question was, could we see sound? And I could see it with the rice. I wonder why. But now I tried to use something heavier, a marble, and I could not see it. I don't know. Do you know? I would love to hear your thoughts. So I'm going to be reaching out to all of you this week, to your parents, and I would love for you to answer that question. Why doesn't the marble move but the rice does? And what's making the rice move? Thank you for your time, and there will be more videos. Stay tuned. Love and miss you all so much. Mwah, mwah.